Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a 5-tone square titled Candy Cube. So the corners are done in a different manner and different height stitches are used here. We use trebles and double trebles and single crochets. So let's go into the video without much delay, but before that let me tell you that I have used all scrap yarns of Hobby Store, Aran, Antipil, 100% premium acrylic yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video, friends. Make a magic ring or an adjustable ring and secure it with a loop. So now this will move, this ring will move. You can begin the first stitch with chain 3 or a standing twisted double crochet, and place 11 more double crochets into the adjustable ring. I shall place 11 more and get back. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chain or the top of DC and fasten of this color. I shall be back with the second color B for the next round. Join color B to any DC. Now chain 4, which is considered as a treble, or you can make a single crochet here, and now make a twisted double crochet in the single crochet. So this will be a treble, considered as a treble. Next, one treble in the next stitch. One in the next, in every fourth stitch make a treble, chain 5 treble. That will be the corner. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began my first stitch. Join color B to any DC. The slip stitch. So chain 4, which is considered as a treble. One treble in the next stitch. Now in the next, one treble, chain 5, one treble. That's the corner. And one treble in each of the next 2 stitches. Every third stitch is going to have a corner. So we make 4 corners. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. At the end of this round here, we have made the last corner. And now slip stitch and join to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains we made and fasten off this color. So once you join, I shall join and get back to you. This is how it looks at the end of round 2. Now it's time to join color C. So let us join color C in any of the first trebles of this 4 trebles group. So let me join over here. This round is worked in a little different manner. The slip stitch, chain 4, which is counted as one treble, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one treble in each of the next 3 trebles. In chain 5 space, place 4 trebles. Now we are not going to chain 4 or any such thing, like we're not going to create a corner with chain space. Instead, we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is again considered as a treble. Now 3 trebles around the post of the last treble made. So this is how we are turning the corner. Now place 3 trebles in the chain 5 space. Again, it's the same way we continue. 1 treble each on each of these next 4 trebles. On the 4th treble we place, around the 4th treble we place 4 trebles. Like first one will be chain 4, considered as 1 treble and 3 trebles around it, and then make 3 trebles in the chain 5 space. This is how we continue on all other 3 sides. Okay, let me make one more set of repeat and show you. So oh god, sorry, I have secured it. Sorry, it's a treble. Three and 4. 4 trebles in the chain 5 space. Now chain 4. This is considered as the first treble of this side. Now 3 trebles around the post of the last treble made. Now 3 trebles in this chain 5 space again. So this completes one side for us. One side and the corner. So here we go. So complete the next 2 sides. I shall also complete and get back. At the end of the round, I have placed my last trebles here, last 3 trebles. Now slip stitch to the fourth chain of the first 4 chains here, join and fasten off. I shall be back with the next color for the next round. Join color D on top of any treble worked on this first treble here. So this is a treble. Join here with a slip stitch. Chain 5, consider as double treble. And 1 double treble in each of the next 7 stitches. Yarn over thrice. Place these 7 trebles. I shall place and get back. We've come to the corner here. In this corner, chain 4, place 4 double trebles. Now chain 5, consider as double treble. And 4 double trebles in this last post. So we have turned the corner here. Next, place one double treble each on each of the next 14 stitches. Again, place the corner here. Continue the other sides too in the similar manner. So when you come to the corner, you place 4 double trebles in the chain 4 space, and you will work chain 5 and 4 double trebles over the post of the last double treble made, and then continue the side. So continue in this manner, complete the round. I shall complete the round and get back. Completed the double treble round. Now it's time to join color E. Join in any corner here with a slip stitch. Chain 2 and place 1 SC all across till you reach the next corner. 1 single crochet each. This chain 2 is the corner actually. So when we reach the corner, I shall get back to you. So totally it comes to 21 single crochets. Now place 6 single crochets in this corner under chain 5 space. turn, chain 2 again, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 21 stitches, again 6 single crochets in the corner, chain 2, 1 single crochet each on each of the next 21 stitches, 6 single crochets in the chain 5 space, chain 2, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this round. Come to the end of the round here, and I have slip stitch and joined to the second chain of chain 2 that we did here. Now place 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space, and 1 single crochet on each of the single crochets till you reach the next chain 2 space. In chain 2 space, place 2 single crochets, again continue placing 1 single crochet each on each of the stitches, and every corner you place, every corner chain 2 space, place 2 single crochets. Continue the round in this manner. Come to the end of the last round here. Now, having placed the last single crochet, slip stitch and join to the first single crochet here and fasten off this yarn and hide the yarn ends. So we complete this candy cube square. Hope you like this simple yet a beautiful pattern. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.